This is your guy, Mr. Chico. Wherever you are watching me from, this is your guy, Mr. Chico. Make sure you subscribe to all my YouTube channel because I'm going to talk about how to make money on social media. Social media is a very powerful. It can change your life. Yes, it can change your life. If you don't know anything to do, like people said, I don't have any job. I don't create a page as a YouTube. Create a Facebook page, create a TikTok. If you know anything you want to do, let me tell you, social media is a very powerful. It's a very powerful and it can change your life. If you change your YouTube, you can create a videos and you must post there. You must get 1,000 subscribers. 4,000 watch hours before YouTube can start paying you. Same into the Facebook also. So if you finish your education and you don't have anything to do, you can create social media. You can be a social media. Social media is a very powerful. It can change your life and you can make a lot of money on social media. So if today you are watching my video, if you need help, you want me to help you to create a social media pages, you can contact me. I can help you. Yes. Let me tell you, be a social media guy. It can change your life one time. I know many people, social media changed their life. So if you finish your school and you said, you don't have anything to do, start creating YouTube. Start creating the video, posting on YouTube, posting on Facebook. Give yourself on time. It can change your life. Yes. Because I know many people, Wodemaya. Wodemaya is a Ghanaian guy YouTuber from Ghana. YouTube has changed his life. Dr. Ankara, you know him? Go and search for them. Akabeneza, Kwajushedin, Zion Felix, Kofi TV, all these type of people, they create a social media. Because social media is a very powerful. Yes. So let's make money together. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mr. Jacob Media. I'm going to give you back to back. How? If you want me to educate you about all these things, you can contact me and I can help you. Yes. Be a freelance. Be on your own boss. Because social media you can be on your own boss. You don't want to be under someone. Someone to be controlling you, never. And you can make money. Yes, social media is very powerful. It depends how the way you are going to use it. Yes, I know many people, they don't have anything before, but when they start Facebook and YouTube, these all channels change their life. Yes. Be on TikTok. If you have a foreign account of TikTok, you can get some monies, but you need to have like 10,000 followers. Yes, before you can get something from TikTok. But if you are not using the foreign account, it's going to be very difficult for you to get a pay. Like example, what I create, because I was living in Dubai, I create a TikTok from Dubai. I have 15.3k followers, but I'm not getting any shishi. TikTok, it will make you a popular, but you become a broke. YouTube make you a popular, you become a rich. Facebook will make you a popular and you become a rich. So start now. Don't tell me I'm feel shy and I don't want to bring my face on social media. I don't want someone to talk about me. Forget about that. Be on your lane. We have so many ways to create a content. You can create a content while you are not bringing your face. Yes. We have many things you can do on social media. Be on your lane. Let me give you an example. Example like a car. When you see a car is moving, the car have wiring, the car have a AC, the car have a tire, the car have an engine, the car have oil. So that is how the social media work. What can you do? Be on your lane. That is it. If you know how to dance well. If you know how to give storytelling, give story. If you know how to, what can you do? I don't know. You yourself, you know your talent. So start now. Create a YouTube channel. Last time I was doing delivering, and I go from some place. Some small guys, they meet me. Hello, hi. Can you subscribe to our YouTube channel? I said, really? Like your age, you start a YouTube channel before you grow. It's going to have a money. So we African, let's start something now. Let's start something now. Create a content and to help you. This is your guy, Mr. Jacob. If you like my video, if you like what I'm telling you, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment and like and share. I love you guys, so that I can give you more videos. Right now, I'm also start my YouTube channel now. I'm start growing. So let's grow together and let's make money together. I love you guys.